Hello everyone, good day. This is Shayna from Kaiyuni Kreations and thank you for joining me again and welcome to another video. As we get closer to the Christmas season, I'm going to try to put out more projects, that go with that so that you can use them on your cards, in your junk journals, as gifts if you'd like. Thank you to those who subscribed last time. And if you are new today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notifications so that you can get the next video when it comes out. So today we're going to do Christmas ornaments, something that is quick, easy, inexpensive. I got the items, a couple of them at the Dollar Tree and some of them at Hobby Lobby when they were on sale. So for instance, this little ornament here, it was just a simple ornament that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. There were 4 in a pack. My Little Christmas, 4 of them came in the pack. And I believe they were half off that day. So I grabbed those. You have these little stickers, Christmas tree shape. And then I have this little punch. This shape that I punched out is actually from the layered daisy punch. Gosh, and I've had this forever. But I don't know if they're still available in your craft stores. It could be either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. So that's what I use for that. And I'm going with a whole black, silver, green theme here. And finally, well, not finally, I have these 2 cutouts here. And I actually used this kind of a scalloped punch for both of them. I think I used the second one from the end. So you can pick your size depending, on the size of the ornament that you're making. So those, I have those. And then this little, which is an actual ornament I picked up at the Dollar Tree. They were, I think they were $1 each. They sell them individually. And, of course, we don't leave anything as it is, plain as it is. So let's get started. And it's a quick, simple, easy project. So I use my Big Shot to cut these out with a die. Now, because this is it's very thin paper. Actually, let me show you the paper pad I got this from. Now, this I have had for a while. I did get it at Hobby Lobby, and they may still have them, but these are different patterns. So this is the one that I use today. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. I am not necessarily a glitter person, but I do love this paper pad. And I believe they may still have them. They're one of the classics that don't really go out of style. So if you wanted to pick it up, just try Hobby Lobby or online. Look at that. And you can see I've used it before. This is a kind of a damask pattern. And the stripes, I love this one. So, as you can see, it's well loved and well used. So it's called Glam Glitter and Hobby Lobby. And of course you have your 40% off coupon, or just go when the paper pads are half off like I do. Alright, so let me put this together for you quickly so you guys can be on your way. So like I said, this is a 110-pound paper, which is a little sturdier. So I'm just going to back it with that one so that it'll give it a little bit of support. And again, you apply your glue. And everybody's hustling and bustling, trying to get things together for this Christmas day. So I'm not going to keep you long today. So we have that down there. And it doesn't really rub off on your hand that much. So that's another reason I like it. And then I'm going to put this one on. You can use hot glue, which is probably the best. But I want to raise it up a little. I think I'm going to actually use these here to just give it a little bit of a dimension and lift. Let's see how they do. Center it as much as possible. So it's holding. And then we're going to put this on here. Make sure you have a strong adhesive. I know black is an unusual color for Christmas, but it comes together. I actually pulled my colors from this ornament here. And we're just going to spruce it up a little. Okay, so we're going to get our glue gun and just adhere this to it. But I think before I put that on, I'm actually going to peel and stick this on here. I always help my stickers out a little bit. We're going to put it just at the bottom there. And I think this is dried, so I'm going to apply this again. That's a good thing about this glue gun stick, that you get do-overs. Okay, and then this, we just place it over in the middle like that. Hold it down while it sticks. I'm doing the ribbon now. And I think we've got it. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Like I said, a quick, simple project. I'm not going to keep you long. So, this is the finished product. And this is going to move around. I'm not going to stick that down. I kept the original string for it. And these are other variations. This one actually has... Oh, I'm holding. This one actually has like a little pinwheel thing that I made, and I'll do a tutorial on how we make those. And I did a slightly different, this one's a foam star that I did here. This one is also another variation of that. It's just the same paper pack, different colors that I chose. And then this is the last one. Again, this is from the Dollar Tree. So it's just different variations. I tried different materials, but the result is the same. This paper pack is gorgeous. And as lovely and adorable as these are, I'm not going to keep them. I'm going to put them in my shop. So if you'd like to purchase them, just check it out there at Kaiyuni Kreations on Etsy. And it will be there. I'll have all my links down below. And again, you know, thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments or just inbox me. And don't forget to subscribe if this is the first time you're here with us. And I appreciate you guys, and thank you, and I will see you next time.